Today we are making a 7-Up pound cake. Now in this recipe you can use whatever lemon lime soda you like, but we're going to start with 2 sticks of butter at room temperature and a half a stick of butter flavored Crisco, and then we're going to cream that with 3 cups of sugar. All right, now we're gonna add in our 5 room temperature eggs. I'm just adding them one at a time and mixing in between. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of lemon extract. Now I'm adding 3 cups of cake flour. And because I'm using cake flour, I actually have to add an extra 2 tablespoons per cup. So it's going to be 3 cups and 6 tablespoons. You won't see it all. I'm going to kind of speed it up here. I also just added a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm adding a half a cup of heavy whipping cream and a whole cup of 7-Up. But you can use any lemon lime soda you want. Alrighty, be sure to grease your pan. I just used nonstick cooking spray. You can butter and flour it. And you're gonna bake it for 1 hour on 325. Check it, you may need to do another 15 minutes or so. And here's how mine looked when it came out. You just want a knife to be clean when you insert it in that cake, and that's when you know it's done. So here I'm gonna make a nice glaze to go on the cake. It consists of 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 tablespoon of your lemon lime soda. You can add more sugar, more soda, to adjust the texture or the thickness. And actually, I made mine a little thicker than that, actually. But here's the final product. It was delicious, guys. It was moist, sweet, lemony. My husband is threatening both his aunt, his own mother, and his wife who made the cake if we eat too much of it. So I just hope you make this. I hope you try it. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.